Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve the wet look with Malaysian curly bundles, and today's hair is brought to you by DSoar hair, and this is just me showing you guys what I got in my package. So I got me a bag and a bonnet, and then there are the bundles in the bag. So I'm going to start off with removing my bonnet and my scarf that I slept with the night before, and this is just how the hair looks when it's semi brushed out, not really brushed out. So yeah, this is just how the natural curls look. So now I'm about to take my Denman brush and I'm going to start brushing the hair from the bottom to the roots. And yeah, I'm just going to brush out this side first, and then I'm going to go to the other side after I'm done. This is how the hair looks when it's fully brushed out, nice and full and pretty. But yeah, so right here I'm just showing you guys how full the hair looks. Keep in mind, I only used 2 bundles in a closure. I didn't even get to use the last bundle that they sent me because the hair was already full. So right now I'm about to just start spraying water with my spray bottle just to get the hair wet before I apply any products to it. The hair looks when it's wet, nice and bouncy, easy to comb through. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how it looks when it's wet and when it's dry. So as you guys can see, the curls look very moisturized, and I only put water on it. So yeah. Wet all my hair, I'm going to be taking a Nairobi foam wrap, and I'm going to be putting this all over my hair so it can stay in this wet look style for the whole day. I get it almost on my eyebrow. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just about to put this all around the perimeter of my head just to lay the closure down. I don't really want it stuck on my head because I just don't like stuff on my head like that. So yeah, I'm gonna just put just very little just so it can stay for the day. Going back in with the Nairobi foam wrap, I'm just gonna be using this rat tail comb and slicking the hair that's closer to my forehead just to make sure it's nice and sleek and goes right into the curls. Going back in with my got to be, I'm just gonna spray the top of my hair just so all the flyaways can lay down and be laid down throughout the whole day, because you don't want flyaways on your wig. And I'm also going to spray the curls just so they can have an extra hold throughout the day and don't get puffy on me. This oil spray, I'm not sure what the brand is or the name is, so I'll be sure to include that in the description box below if you guys are interested. But yeah, I'm just gonna spray it all over the curls just so it can be even more shinier than what it is now. And yeah, that's basically what I use that for.